Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Northwind Components completed its IPO 2 years ago. Today, one investor buys 500 shares from another investor on a stock exchange at $42 per share. Which statement is correct? A. Northwind received $21,000 from this trade. No, Northwind was not involved. One investor buys from another investor, so A is out. B. It's a primary market trade that gives Northwind new capital. This is not primary market. The primary market is when Northwind sold their shares initially as an IPO. B is out. C. It's a secondary market trade. True, it's between investors. And Northwind receives no new capital. Also true, so C is correct. Northwind underwriter must execute the trade. No, the underwriter is involved in the IPO when they initially sell the trade. Not anymore. D is out. What should you do now? Whether you are a CMA, CPA, accounting, finance students, go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources. For example, if you're taking this quiz at Farhat Lectures, you could ask AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Don't shortchange yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.